Hey guys, welcome to the third video of the pizza party event. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to get the llama Pinata hat. So this is a limited edition hat that is limited to the March 2019 pizza party event. So you want to go to games and search up floppy fighters, or just go to featured, and it's on the page saying it's an event. You want to go into a game, and when you play, you get the badge for Welcome to Floppy Fighters. Get a cringy character. Okay, so round in progress right now. Sorry about that, guys. Eerie. Okay, first to 3 star wins. Okay. Pizza. So you want to vote for pizza for the pizza map. See right there? You want to vote for the pizza map to be able to get this, the Pinata hat. So you want to vote for pizza mode, which is the mode. And then you want to just fight, I guess. Okay, there you go. And then you get hit by the thing. And right here it says the Pinata hat. So you want to leave the game. And in the catalog, or the avatar page, you will go to recent and you have the Pinata hat. Really cringy. Oh, that's pretty stupid. Yeah, there you go. Ta-ta!